Oh, I'm finally home. I'm so tired today. What's the food? What did my mom make? Ooh, cake. My mom is not here. She's buying in the grocery store, so I could wait. Let me just lock that door. I'm gonna sit here. La 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 la. Knock 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 knock. Is anybody there? Oh my gosh. That's gonna be my mom. But his voice is deep. Maybe my dad. Dad? Who is that? I'm your friend's dad. My dad doesn't have a friend. I'm his gym buddy. We don't go in the gym. Stranger danger. Ha! Just open the door. I'm gonna rob you. Nuh-uh. Open the door. If you want me to open the door, I'll give you my water gun. Get my water. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm out of here. Yeah, that's what you get. I'm gonna lock the door. Blah, blah, blah. Knock knock. Big big big. Oh, I big big big. Oh my god, who is it now? There's no one there in the big hall. Big big big. Oh my gosh, where's my water gun? Oh, the fire extinguisher. This is great. So I can prank them. Haha! What's up? Ah! So you're hiding in the pickle, okay? That's cool. Oh my god, I'm out of here. Let me eat peacefully. And let me wait my mama. Son, are you there? You're not in the pickle, so I know you're a ghost. How do you know about that, huh? I'm smart. Okay. Knock knock, Marvin. You need to pay your house payment. I'm not Marvin. Marvin is on the next row. Oh. Just give me your house payment right now. Be careful out there, there's a monster. What? I'm feeding my pet dodo bird. Oh, you have a pet? Dodo bird? Can I buy that? For $1 million? No, it's my only dodo bird. I can find another one. Just go back in time, mate. Nuh-uh. Come on, let me just buy that dodo bird.
Good morning, Mirage!
No. That's a turkey. It's a dodo bird. No, that's a turkey. A dodo bird. Ouch! Don't you dare bite me, Dodo. Hey, yo. What do you want? Go out. I don't want you in my house again. Come on, kid. You gotta let me in. I'm gonna talk to your mother. My mother is at the grocery store. Oh. I'm going to bed without even eating. Goodbye, good night. Hey, come back here! No! Oh no, I break a plate! I'm gonna tell it on me. No, don't tell it on me. No. I'm gonna say you distract me and I accidentally broke it and it's your fault. How is it my fault? You keep talking to me even though I don't want to talk with you. Oh my gosh, you are so annoying. Ouch! I'm just going to bed. I love it, dear. I love it. Hey kid, come here. I said talk. I'm not done with you. I'm out of here. Son, knock knock. Duk 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 duk. What?
Hindi ka kakanta? Dapat pala pag
Female
yan nilaban,
melon.
yan siguro yung nangangamoy. Yung mga
I'm here.
may punda yan, di ba?
Open the door. Okay, that's not mom. He like knocked for like 4 times. Knock 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 knock. Okay, that's mom. Mama! Mama, I want to hear. Someone harassing me. Who? Eddie broke a platey when he said he broke the door and I fixed it. Oh, that's why there's cracks. Yeah. Come on. Mama, mama, mama. Ouch. Mama, what are you doing? Ow, 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 ow. Ouchie. Ow. I'm sorry, Mom. We only have a cup. Ouch. Sweetie, are you okay there? You do not call me sweetie. Well, right now, yeah. Loved it. I love it. Let me just take my regeneration. Why? I accidentally hit my butt on the stair. Oh, whoa. That ain't funny. Ha 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 ha. Thank you, son. Where's your father? I think he's in the work. I think he's on full night. He's going home for 1 a.m. 1 a.m. That's not good. That's why I'm gonna sleep now. Yeah, go to sleep. Wait, we gotta have 4 tummies. Oh yeah. I forgot that. Let's go. Let's go eat now, Mom. Okay, son. Oh, sit. Mom, we don't have a plate. Oh yeah, 'cause it broke when the spring. You're so bad, bro. Let's eat now, Mom. Yeah, sure. Glad they buy the new plate for us. Mom, I don't know you're that rich. Oh.
Good morning,
Oh my
Mirage!
gosh. Don't want to see me walk to be a macho man. Let's go eat now. Okay, Mom. I don't want the cake. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get so sick. My tummy's gonna hurt. Oh yeah, you have a sensitive tummy. Oh yum 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 yum. It's kind of tiring there. I accidentally broke it. And yum 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 yum. Yum. Wait, I broke it too. It's fake. I get scammed. Yeah. Let's go to bed now, Mom. Oh yeah, sure. Can I go to my bed? Yeah. Let's go. Chupa 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 chee. Relax. Flip. No, Mama. Let's go now. Beep beep beep. We don't have extra bed. Oh yeah. Wait, they have a second bed here. I forgot. Oh yeah, the sleeping bag. Relax. Oopsies. Apple pay. Let's go. Let's go shoot now, Mom. Yeah, let's go. And that day it never gets sunny again. I gotta go to school now. Oh wait, I don't have any school. Oh my gosh, this is so tiring. Mom, wake up! You gotta feed me. Wake up. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, and I'ma just go sleep too. Never mind. I'm going downstairs. My mama. Yeah, watch it. Oop, ouch. I fell. Oh my gosh, I was scared. I thought that was a ghost. Me too. Let me just flip you. Ouchies, ouchies, ouchies. Why is it still dark? Let me check the balcony. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Mom, why is it still dark? Maybe you woke up too early. Oh, okay. Wow, so dark here. What the heck? Wow. Oh yeah, it's still dark. Let me just sleep. Wait, what time is it though? Let me check my phone. 6:30
Good morning,
p.m.
Mirage!
Wait, so it's still so it's sunny? What happened? Mom, it's 6:30 p.m. What, 6:30? Yeah. Oh no, this is a curse. Oh no. Ah! Ouchie, I broke. Wait, that does not count. She did not die. It's 6:30 p.m. What happened in the sun? Oh, maybe, thing that it's covering the sun. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It's gonna be dark for 1 year. Oh no. Look at there, Mom. There's a monster. What, the monster? What do you mean a monster? Oh, the monster's there. You're such an imaginator, bro. Mommy, you're acting so cool today. Yeah, 'cause I pro. What there, Mom? Look at it. If I saw nothing, you're going to be grounded. Bro! What the? Oh, I knew it, Mom. There's a monster. Hopefully the doors are locked. Oh! Lock the doors. Yeah. I'ma just go block the door. You watch it there. I'ma block the door now. Oh my gosh, we can't die today because of this. What day is it though? Friday the 13th? Oh my gosh. Mom, I'm blocking up the door. Change the door with the... Mom, why are you so quiet? Mom? He got even taller. I'm changing it. I saw it. No, thank you. I found the key. Oh. Is he gone now? Mom? Yeah, he's gone. How do you know it's a boy? Well, it's tall. Not all boys are tall, Mom. Mom? What? What are you doing there? Why are you so quiet? Well, I got terrified. I saw your dad. What? Wait, what time is it? 6. Wait, it's been an hour. It's been a day. Your father's not there. He might have been in the traffic. Oh yeah, maybe he's in traffic all day. I don't know, the traffic is so freaking so big. I saw your father there. What? Let me check that. You're lying, Mom. He kinda looks like your father, but rotten. What? Give me the flashlight, Mom. It's in your pockets. Oh, yes, there's a lot of things in my inventory. Yo, he's about to jump. It did not count. Oh, yeah, it's Dad, but rotten. Oh no, baby, this is the Friday the 13th. Yummy to generate. Oh. Thank you, Mom. You saved me from that. Wait, it's still on fire. Thank you, Mom. You saved me. Bro, extinguish, bro. But I couldn't help. We could not get in the balcony now, Mom. Let's lock here. Wait, what happened? Dad burned it. He has like a superpower. Glad they can break it. Oh my gosh, your father's here! Oh, where did he go? Fail. Oh. What happened? What do you mean, Mom? What's inside the bar? They peacefully died. Wait, that's not the end of the story. Wait, give me a second. Oh, never mind.